Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another real quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a Ford Transit. Now this happens to be a Transit 350 XLT, but this will be the same for a Transit 150 or 250 as well, from years 2015 all the way up to 2022. These are the wipers I'm going to be using. They're made by KVQ, and the sizes on these wiper blades are 21 and 28. Now the style of this wiper blade is called top lock. There's just a button here at the top. I'm just going to lift this up. I'm just going to set a towel down here under the wiper arm to help hold that up while we do this. And then all I need to do is push this button and slide out the old wiper. I'm gonna set that down. Again, I've got a towel there so that that doesn't scratch our windshield. Now let's take out the new one. Make sure you slide off this little piece of protective plastic and just slide that in the end until it clicks in place. And we're done. Now same with this side. Just gonna lift that up. This one I'm just gonna stand it up completely, slide the old one off, and just pop that new one in. And you're done. Quick and easy job. Now I bought this type because it was already set up with the top lock and it just pushed right in. As you saw, that's super easy. If you get the universal ones, sometimes they don't have all the right clips and you end up fussing with that. And a lot of times you're doing this in the rain. I would recommend you go with the ones that are already set up for the top lock because it just makes it so much easier. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link to these replacement wipers in the description for you as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.